Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Hi, welcome to MasterCadx. Today we are going to discuss how to construct the bolt. The bolt is given, you can see the dimension, which is the 8 mm meter head thickness, and side view you can see it is the rectangular. Okay, that means it is a completely a square. The square dimension given it is 24 mm. This bolt will be inserted to in this body. So now how to construct this one is the same rule which you apply for the hexagonal rule. The same you have to apply in a square area. So first I will go to the square. Next I will change it. The dimension was document setting, which is we need to millimeter. Apply, close. In a 3D model, I take that any one plane. Now in a polygon, now it is a 6 mint is a hexagonal, but here asking it is a 4, which is a rectangular. So the center point should be of the object and the next corner point should be the same. The dimension was 24. Right click and align dimension is 24. Similarly, this dimension is go to the align, which is 24. Okay, so finish the sketch. Extrude. The extrude amount was 8 mm. The extrude amount I given it was 10 here, so change this to 8. Next, you have to select the plane in such a way it should passes to corner to corner. So two plane are passes to corner. Any one plane you can be design over there. So I'll change this to solid modeling to wireframe modeling, and this line have to make it visible. For that one, the command we called project geometry. Draw the line. And the dimension is given, it is 8 mm. It is all 8. So it is fill that command, change the dimension and select the edges. So now the next one, align. So where the which one how to make it the remove here, the trim. And finish the sketch. Before finish the sketch, you have to draw the axis. So because we are applying it is revolve command. So this is my plane axis and it is cut. Go to the view command and to convert it to the solid and apply OK. So this is my head over here. Next one, in the diagram there is a bar is a 12 mm and distance is 104 minus 8. Take the sketch command, select a circle which is 12 mm, finish the sketch, and dimension is 104 minus 8. Extrude 104 minus. Save this file, give the name is bolt. Okay, next still it is the third part is not over, so give the third part. Now third part is not complete thread, so the full length you have to minus, so we'll give it is 90 mm, and some part I will be making the gap. Practically it's not possible, the threading will be up to the end. So apply. Next material. The material is it is mild steel. Right. So this is my final part over here. Thank you for watching. In next video tutorial we are going to discuss how to assemble of plumber block.